All right, welcome back. We're going on to the next song. We're going to change things up a little on you. And the name of this song is Clementine, which is Oh My Darling. This is in 3/4 timing. So every song that we've done up to now is in 4/4 timing. And in short, easy explanation, that means that it's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 counts per measure. All right. In 3/4 timing, which is also commonly called waltz timing, there's only 3 beats. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you've seen in movies where they're dancing, or even on Dancing with the Stars when they're doing a waltz, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I thought that was cute. All right. So on this it'll be Oh My Darling. Oh my darling. So there's 3 beats per measure. By the way, we're introducing something new here too. It's called a pickup notes, or pickup words, which means you're going to sing oh my with no strum. It's oh my and your first strum comes on darling. Oh my darling. Oh my darling. Okay. So here we go. 80 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling Clementine, you are lost and gone forever. I am sorry, Clementine. Again, oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling Clementine, you are lost and gone forever. I am sorry, Clementine. Very good. That was using quarter notes, or using only down notes for the waltz time.